Hey guys, I'm making a quick video here to show you, I guess, somewhat non-conventional way that I've decided to combine the new Insta360 AcePro with the Insta360 Flow. I don't really use this a huge amount. I brought it to use on my iPhone, but I tend to find that I can use some of my other camera gear to kind of like make up for it. Taking this camera, which has already got a fantastic built-in stabilization, I thought that it would be really cool to see if it would work with the Flow. And I was quite surprised to actually see that the function is really, really decent. Now, this is not something that Insta360 offer as a feature. There is no mention anywhere online about being able to use the Flow with the AcePro. So I guess I thought I would document it and put it out there for you guys. To start off with, what you need to do is you need to take the included mobile phone mount, which comes with the Flow. And there's two ways that you can mount this. So obviously, if you're wanting to have it in a way of kind of facing it outwards, you know, filming the world, you would attach it simply like this. So just carefully pop it on there, flip it over there, make sure it's as central as you can. And then just try and get that bit in the middle. Now, if you want to sit there and do vlogging mode and you want to be able to see the pop-up screen, you simply do this, lift the screen up, and then take the clip the same way as you would before and just attach it on like that. Now, the only thing to be mindful of this way is this may end up pushing the power button, so you need to make sure that the positioning of here is literally just underneath it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach it with the screen out like this, just to show you that it works okay. So simply attach it into the Flow as you would normally, and then power on the device. And as you can see, it works. Now, I've done some real world testing, but what we'll do is we will play some samples of the stuff that I recorded with this in the next clip. I guess it kind of works on the Flow with an AcePro. Catchy. What are you doing, Milo? Should do a bit of running. Oh, you're loving life, aren't you, dog? Huh? Okay. Now we're back inside. I hope you like those clips. What I can do as well, I'm just going to bolt onto the end of this video a quick example showing this camera, which is the DJI Pocket 3, doing the same sort of loop in the same location, just to be able to give you some sort of comparison between these devices. Again, this video is mainly to highlight the use with the Flow and the AcePro. So here's the video, and let me know what you think. Now that we've given it a go, with the Insta360 AcePro with the Insta360 Flow gimbal. I'm just going to sort of do the same little quick circuit. And this is using the DJI Pocket 3. I'm currently recording this in D-Log mode, and will attempt, probably quite poorly, at layering on some colour grades or LUTs in Adobe Premiere when I edit the video. I'm actually very impressed with this little camera. It's so small, it's very discreet. I wouldn't replace my AcePro with one. There's absolutely no way I'm going to be attaching this to the motorcycle. I don't think it would last very long, given how compact this is, and in essence you've got a drone gimbal camera in something that fits in your hand. So I wouldn't expect that to be waterproof. Come on, Milo. Let's go. This way. And the dog who has to pee up against everything. The joys of male dogs. So that's pretty much it. You know, I've demonstrated the fact that we can use this with the Flow. Might not be conventional, you know, maybe it's not something that's perfect for everyone, but if you've got one of these sat around like I do, you've got access to the AcePro, give them a go. And if Insta360 are watching this, I think it would be super awesome to make some sort of attachment, like a cage or something that goes onto the AcePro and incorporate it with the Flow. You know, there's products out there that are designed for using with GoPros and various things, and I really feel that it would be a quite easy engineering design point of view and manufacturing even to kind of incorporate these two devices together. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, if there's any suggestions or if there's anything you want to see with the AcePro, with the Insta360 Flow or the DJI Pocket 3. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you. Cheers for watching.